This spectacular 100-acre Williamson County, Tennessee property is perfect for the ultimate private estate or the developer looking for up to 20 home sites under the RD5 zoning. This property has a wonderful variety of approximately 40% gentle rolling open pasture, with the balance being a majestic wooded hillside with breathtaking million-dollar views. The property is surrounded by the gorgeous southern Williamson County countryside and boasting nearly a half-mile of frontage on the beautifully paved Owen Hill Road. Pick your favorite spot to build down on the open rolling pasture, or venture up the wooded hillside and choose a truly world-class home site with breathtaking views. Lastly, enjoy the sights and sounds of the beautiful spring-fed creek flowing along the northern portion of this premium property.